Hey guys, CrossCuber. Today we're going to do a little Rubik's Cube quiz, and there had the K. Alright, 24 questions, and even though it's a quiz, I'm going to put on Jeopardy for no reason. Okay, so number one, obviously, is Lucas Eater. Check my answer. Correct. 2. What kind of puzzle is the Rubik's Magic folding? I want to make this thing as quick as possible. What Rubik's solver appears in the 2010 Guinness Book of World Records? I'm gonna say Robot 2. Probably incorrect. Oh wow, I got it correct. I didn't think that. 50 seconds, not bad. 2014 Cube Babylon Tower. I don't know what that is. Okay. Oh, that's early. Cube, I mean that's not too long ago. In total, how many little blocks make up the Rubik's Cube? Alright, well, I got that incorrect. Oh, wow. Dang it. I thought it was 27. Okay, 26 then. Whatever this is. What is the name of the pillow-shaped 7x7 twisty puzzle invented by Puzzle Inverters? I know that's the V-Cube 7. But correct. Which of the following organization governed a competition for all puzzles? Let's zoom this in. That's gonna be WCA. Correct. What is the NEL cube made of? I don't know. Ice cubes. No, magnetic balls. Correct. What is the domino cube? 2x2x3 disc twisty. That's correct. Who is Oscar Van Devender? Custom Twistly puzzle designer. Correct. How many stickers do you put? Really? Do I have to answer this? I'm going to take my guess. Oh wow. Oh, okay. I got that incorrect. 732. What is one is a holy void? What statement is true, false about 15 puzzle? About the 15 puzzle. Dang it, I messed up. You can actually get the 15 puzzle on the App Store. It's a really difficult puzzle though. What is a Rubik's Cube mathematically? Here.